Hi, welcome to Driving TV, and I hope you are well. In this video, I'm going to share with you parallel parking or reverse parking. Now, there are other videos on my channel on parallel parking, but in this one, I'm going to add a few more other details so that you get to know exactly how you should do it in the test. So you could see it from the outside and from the inside. So you get to see what's happening from the outside as well as inside, what you need to do. So it's parallel parking in this video. Let's start the lesson. There are many ways, there are many steps you can take to do this parallel parking, but I'm giving you one, the one I choose, the one I've been using for last 20 years, teaching my learners how to do the parallel parking. So when your instructor tells you the steps that you should be using to do this parallel parking, my advice is write those steps down on a piece of paper and then put this piece of paper somewhere in front of you in the car, and when you practice on the road, just look at these steps and practice few times, and that way it will help you to remember, because in the beginning it's all about memorizing the steps of the parking. So my advice is write these steps in advance on a piece of paper and then put this piece of paper in front of you somewhere in the car, and then use this piece of paper to do these steps in the beginning. Do that a few times until you remember, then it becomes easier for you to do the parking. So these are the steps. On a piece of paper, write this step. So this is your car and that's a parked car. You go and line up, so your car in slightly forward than the parked car. So you line up, okay? Then you reverse back until back end is in line. So your car and the parked car, both of them, the back end is in line, one turn to left. So you do steering, one turn to left, one circle, okay? So then you keep going, reversing, and because you've done one left, the back is going to go in and the front is going to come out, and keep going back until your car is in line in this position around 1 o'clock, okay? So if this was 12 o'clock, imagine this is a clock, your car is in an angle around 1 o'clock. Once you reach this point, one turn right. So this time, one right. So here you did, on the back is level, one left. When the car reaches around 1 o'clock, one right. Okay? Once you've done one right, your car is now straight. You're just going to go straight to the pavement. So imagine the next step, the car is going straight to the pavement. Now your aim is to go close to the pavement. So that's the pavement. This is the corner of your car. So once you are really close, and for you to know, you will see on the side mirror how close you are. So once you reach very close to the pavement, stop, and then what you do is full right lock. This time, full right lock steering. Once you've done that, car's going to go in, and you wait until the car is straight. When the car is straight, get the steering straight. So then you steer left to get the wheel straight, okay? So if you write the steps down on a piece of paper, put that piece of paper in front in the car, practice few times looking at these steps, and this will remind you when to do the steering, and this way it will help you to memorize quicker and you will learn this quicker. The way you would put this, use the help of, in this case, white tack. You could also use blue tack, normally they call it, but there are also white tack. So all you do is get a piece of white tack, put it here, and then you put this in front somewhere near where you can see when you are practicing. So with the use of with the help of the blue tack or the white tack, you just put it somewhere in front in the car. When you practice, you could just see the steps as you are practicing. Okay, so now that you know these steps, this is the step that I use. I've been using it for the last 20 years. There are many other steps you could use, but this is the one I use. Okay, so hopefully it's going to help you to get these steps. So now that we know this step, we're going to put these steps into practice. Okay, so you can see from the inside what I'm doing, and also you can see from the outside how it is going in the car. Okay, so first of all, we're gonna get the car ready and line up to go over there. So what do we do? Clutch down, first gear, set the gas, look around, blind spot. I'm gonna signal to move her from here to there. Blind spot again, and I move. Okay, nicely line up over there and line up around here. Good there. Okay, brake on, neutral. Okay, now I need to reverse. For me to reverse, I need to position myself towards slightly that way. Why? So I could see at the back. From this position, it is difficult. So in the reversing, position yourself slightly that way so you can see it. Okay, clutch down, reverse gear. Done. Do I need to signal? No, because reverse light is signal. On the reversing, no indicator, only the reverse light is fine. Look around from here, look at the back, and break off if you need to, and go at the back. What's this step? I go back until back end is in line, looking around, back end is in line, looking around here. Okay, I'm going to do one left. Now the car is stationary. I'm showing you the steps. One, turn to left. Normally, once you've mastered this step, try to do all in one go so you don't do the dry steering. In the beginning, you could stop the car and do these steps so you memorize it, and then eventually when you go to the test, do all in one go. Okay, so you don't do the dry steering. So I've done one left, on the back end is in line. Now I'm going to wait until it goes to 1 o'clock. So if this is 12 o'clock, I need to take the car around here until it's 1 or 2 o'clock. Then I'm going to do one right. So I've done the one left. Look around. Car's going to go in. Car's going to go in. Keep looking around. The front is going out, so make sure you look around this way. Okay, I need to go until it's around 1 to 2 o'clock around here. Okay, around here, there. Okay, one right. Like I said, I'm doing dry steering just to give you these steps. In the beginning, it's okay. Eventually, do all in one go. So I've done one right, look around, and go back until what? What's next? To the pavement. I need to go close to the pavement. So I'm getting help from the side mirror. I'm looking at the back mainly, look around, and I'm going, look at the front, look at the blind spot, look at the back, and around here, full right lock, full right lock, full right lock, around here, full right lock. Look at the back mainly, look at the front. Am I going to touch? No. Is it straight? Now it's straight. Get the wheel straight and stop. Handbrake on, neutral, rest my feet. Done. And that's how you do the parallel parking. Now, like I said, in the beginning, it's okay to stop and do the dry steering, but eventually try to do all in one go. So let's try that, okay? All in one go. Okay, clutch down, first gear, look around, blind spot, signal blind spot, and I go, and I go, okay, and I come here, and I line up, done. Handbrake, neutral, rest my feet. Slightly that way. This time, I'm going to try to do all in one go, the whole step, so that you know when you go to the test, that's what you need to do. If you do stop, that's okay. Try to move the car slightly when you do the steering. That way, you don't do the dry steering. Okay? So clutch down, reverse gear. Look around, look at the back, and I'm going to go back. On the back is in line, one left. Okay? In line, not now, not now. In line, blind spot, blind spot. So I've done one. So this time I didn't stop, did I? Yeah. Okay. If you do stop, like I said, try to move the car slightly when you do the steering. So look around, look around. When it's 1 o'clock, around here, one right, blind spot. Okay. Blind spot. When it comes to the camber, meaning when you're going to the drain, going downwards, think of the brake control. Around here, brake control. Look around. Is it close? Is it close? Now full right lock. Look around. Look around. Look at the back mainly. Is it straight? Is it going to touch? Is it straight? Get the wheel straight. Handbrake on. Neutral. Rest my feet. Done. And that's how you do the parallel parking. Okay, I hope the video helps. If you need extra help on learning to drive and to pass the driving test, don't forget to take the advantage of our online course, which gives everything a learner needs. The course has everything, including the parallel parking. Okay, it has more than 30 videos on the course. I will leave a link on the description for you to have a look. Have a look and see and read. And if you like the course, you could always join the course. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you did, please do give a thumbs up, and please do make a comment what you think of the video. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe so don't miss any of my future videos, and hope to see you again in the next video. Bye for now.